3 minutes. One challenge. Who will collect the most points?
Ready? Let's go! Run, run, run! Audrey! Jake! Audrey! Jake! Audrey! Run, run, run! Run fast, don't look back, feet on fire on the track. Point shine left and right, everything is fast and bright.
Jump high, touch the sky, slide low, zooming by step, side by side. Feel the speed, feel the ride.
Closer, closer, who's ahead? Heartbeat jumping in your head. Left, right, quick turn, win or lose, time to learn. Jake, Audrey, go, go, go. Faster, faster, never slow. Coins, coins in the air, they are racing everywhere. Jump, slide, feel the sound. Who will take that golden crown? Jake, Audrey, watch them go. Who will win? We don't know. Go, go, run, run, run. Don't stop now. Have some fun. Jake is quick, smooth and cool, breaking every single rule, laughing as he takes the lead, moving with amazing speed.
Audrey jumps, she's so fast, catching up, she's coming fast. Light and quick, left to right, this is such an epic fight.
Neck and neck, side by side, no more place to run and hide.
Final turn, feel the heat.
Racing to the final beat. Jake, Audrey, go, go, go. Faster, faster, never slow. Coins, coins in the air, they are racing everywhere. Jump, slide, feel the sound. Who will take that golden crown? Jake, Audrey, watch them go. Who will win? We don't know. Go, go, go! Run, run, run! Don't stop now. Have some fun.
Speed is rising, feel the beat. Heartbeat racing in your feet. Left and right, quick escape. Every second, no mistake.
Laugh and shout, feel the vibe. This is such a crazy ride. Coins are glowing everywhere, flying high into the air. Slow it down.
Feel the sound.
Almost there. Final round. Go! Jake, Audrey, final round. Feel the speed, hear the sound. Coins are falling, don't look down. Who will take that golden crown?